Hello everyone, this is Courtney from Ava. Today we would like to talk about our reimbursement services and how you can track your cases on the Ava platform. Let's head over to the reimbursement tab, right there, and we can see a transparent breakdown of all your reimbursement recoveries. As you may already know, Amazon creates cases for your products as well. However, most of the time they don't create all the potential cases. This is where Ava's reimbursement services come into play. We look at the last 18 months of data to find any discrepancies and create cases for more than 26 categories. You can click on any of the months to see the category breakdown of all the reimbursement recoveries from Amazon. Scroll down below to see the cases that have been resolved on your behalf by ASIN, provider, and amount. Ava only charges a minimal fee for successful reimbursement recoveries. Since Ava is an advanced Amazon partner, we are able to get results faster. Now you can resolve 20% more cases at a 50% cheaper rate. Now head over to the remeasurement request page, right there. Here is where you have the measurements of all your items. If Amazon mismeasures your products, it may result in inaccurate fees that could lead to financial losses. You can modify the measurements of your products by clicking Edit. We will review and raise cases accordingly. Our team will create cases on your behalf to recover any incorrect fee amount that were charged by Amazon. Our page shows the default data of measurements from Amazon. You can also reverse the data settings after pushing the actual dimensions. We believe our expert reimbursement team, with the help of AI, can help your business and get your money back from Amazon, leaving no money left on the table. You can follow our other videos to get more insights on the Ava platform. Thank you.